How to set up and use Disboard on your Discord server. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step method on how you can easily integrate the Disboard spot into your Discord server. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is log into your Discord account, and on the new tab you're just going to search for disboard.org. And once you enter this URL, you'll be taken to this homepage. And once you land on this homepage, if you are a server admin, you can add this to your server. Go ahead and tap on this, and it will take you to another page. Now here you'll have to authorize a few things like your access to username, avatar, and banner, access your email address, and know what servers you're in. Then once you do that, go ahead and click on authorize. Just wait for a bit. Now you'll be taken to the dashboard of Disboard, and here you have a big button to add a new server. Go ahead and click on it. Then select a server that you are an admin of. So this is my server right here. And you'll have to verify that you're a human and not a bot. Now you'll have to customize your new server. The first thing you need to do is select your main language, and then you have to add tags. So you can add a tag to categorize what your server is about. So for example, I'm just going to add something here like tech, and you can add up to 5 tags. So if I add games here as well, so I still have room for 3 more, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now this is the most important step, to add a description of your server. So if you want more people to join your server, then you'll have to thoroughly describe what your server is about and what its goals are. Now, if people find your description attractive, and if that is exactly what the people are looking for, they're more likely to join your server. So be very careful on how you add your descriptions. And once you do that, go ahead and click on save. And that's how you can integrate the Disboard spot on your Discord server. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.